ready. Now, if you had a good engineer, he could quill these. And when I was down in Chico, there was an SP locomotive engineer who would come through at night, and he would quill it so that he would start out with the number 1, he would go to the number 2, and then he would go to the number 4. And sometimes he could get it set up so that he just had the number 1 and the number 2 bells, and at the very last minute he would put just enough air to get the 4 bell going. So he was very good at quilling the bell, or quilling the horn. So that's with a bronze diaphragm. This is stainless steel. A little brighter on the bronze diaphragm. Let's put an M on. I'm running my air compressor out. That's a D chord. Yeah. And let's put the 5 chime on. It's a K5. Do you hear that vibration in there? Ready, one more time. It's a very sweet sounding horn, especially as it's going by. Have a doesn't have a 4A bell on it. It has a regular 4. So it's blowing the same Canadian tune. I need to put a 4A on it. All right. So it's basically a single honker. You can the opening is small enough where you can blow this just by blowing into it like a trumpet. Two bells. Has a higher pitch to it. Much higher. Got a nice pitch to it. I think it's a seventh, a diminished seventh chord. Here we go. These two don't want to blow. I've got stuff on them. So I'll grab another. Okay. Has that nice mellow sound to it on a K horn. I can hear one blowing now for Vista or Park Avenue. All right. Yeah. One more time. One bell is blowing. They say if it doesn't work, get a bigger hammer. connector so I can blow this one off.